Hello everyone, this is my review of the Vaseline Cocoa Butter Vitalizer Gel Body Oil. I love this body oil because you know how good cocoa butter is for your skin, especially dry skin. So this does a really good job of moisturizing the skin. It absorbs nicely into the skin and has a non-greasy feel to it and gives your skin a really good shine. And best of all, it really does have a great smell to it. So it's a really good product and I highly recommend it. And I hope this review helps.